Hey again, let me continue work with the database. So, in this video I will talk about how to list the data from the database. If you remember in the add, we add all these records. Now I want to list them in my application. So let me define function here, name it diff, I will say list admins. So he will list admins for me. So what do you think this list will take? It's really easy. Just say, hey, I have a cursor this way. Hopefully I write it correctly. Equal db, I want to execute comment. If you want to get data from the table in normal process database, what do you say? I have admin here, I want to get from the admin. You say select star from admin. Is that right? Then we run the query, it will give you all the people. Same thing you do it in the code. You just say, hey, where is it? Here is it. I say select star from admin. Now this one cursor will have all the usernames and password. But remember, the username and password here is listed as username, name of the field, which is name, age. So it's key value, key, name, age. So they are list. So because they are list, I need to do for loop to move through the list because they are number of rows. So I say, hey, for every row in the cursor, because the cursor now it is table. So if you just look through it, just again, think about its cursor. This cursor have a table. So now I have to do for loop. Every time I will take one record, row, then row, then row, then row. For every row, I will take the key. I give him a key, so he will give me the value. I give him name, he give me value. I give him name, age, he give me value. So very easy and simple. So I will say, hey, print for me the name. I don't know why I do it in this way always. Print the name for me, which is equal this name, and the age, which is equal this age dot format. So I have to take from the row, I will have to take this key map. If you remember the key name, it name here. So hey, give me key name. Also the second thing, from row, give me the key that name it age. Oh, interesting. So now he will do for loop. He will move 1 1 1 2 3 4, and every time every record be in, he give him the key, give him the value, give him key, and he lists all the admins. Now if you add another operation, I say, hey, /n and add 2 for list admins. Okay, just /n. So now this is first if condition. So the second if you say else, elif, it's better. If it is 2, I want to call list admin. That is, just make my code more professional. So if someone click 2, he will come here, and this one will list the admins for him. Just rerun it again. The operation, I will select 2. He give me all the people. See, Hussein, Jannah, Ahmed, whatever. If you just rerun it again and say, hey, I want to do a process of adding. So I'll select, if I want to add, I will click 1. He say enter name. I say Lulu, the age, whatever, 23. Now if I rerun it again, if you see too many rerun. If I run it again, he will ask me about, I want to list them, 2. Here you go, he lists them. Here's the Lulu. She is here, and she is, if I just refresh, I will see her here. So yeah, this is basically how we do listing. So here we done, and see you next.